Hello, in this video, I will show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11 using CMD. The first thing you may try is to get WinGit. Just go on your browser and type in WinGit download. Go on this link over here. And if you're missing this WinGit application, just go under here and click here and install the app installer. After you've done installing this, the second thing you should do is to open command prompt. Just go on your Windows key, type in CMD. Run as administrator. Then after this opens, then you need to run these two commands. The first one is WinGit upgrade. After here, it'll Y and click enter. And here, these are all my applications that needs to be upgraded or updated. After you do this, then enter this next command key to update all the programs that need to be updated. And click enter, and it will install and update all the updates that you need on your computer. And you're done.